While officials offer reassurance about the H1N1 virus, researchers around the world are racing to understand its inner workings because it could evolve into a deadlier strain. Scientists at the La Jolla Institute for Allergy and Immunology are comparing hundreds of different flu strains dating back to 1918 to the current one.
Our specific interest is to understand whether there is already a pre-existing immune memory and immune response against this particular virus.
The research could offer clues as to who might have some immunity during a pandemic.
If you got infected with one kind of virus, would you be protected against another kind, and how closely related would they have to be?
H1N1 are two proteins that sit on the surface of this new flu virus and help it infect cells. The body fights the flu by blocking those proteins. But a virus can change in a matter of hours, often by reshuffling its genetic material with another flu virus after they've infected the same cell. If that happens, the virus can develop a new coat containing new proteins, disguising it from the immune system. The body can't fight what it can't see. Flu viruses thrive in cold, dry air. So while this current H1N1 may die out here during the summer, it could thrive in the southern hemisphere where it's winter.
If you have a lot of the H1N1 virus circulating south of the equator in their winter, and it combines with regular or other influenza viruses, they can share genes. And it might conceivably pick up a gene that makes it resistant to Tamiflu also.
Researchers are going full speed ahead to decode this virus before the fall. Harry?
John, there's this sort of crazy thing going around on the internet. We've heard some reports on the radio even of people saying, I want to go get infected with this virus and thinking it's going to protect them or immunize them if this virus comes back later in the year. Is there any sense to that?
Well, Harry, where that's coming from is that during the 1918 flu epidemic, the people who got the milder form of the virus in the spring were actually protected from the more deadly version that came in the second wave in the fall. But this virus is way too unpredictable to recommend this as something that you should go out and do. It seems to be mild right now, but you could be one of those unlucky people who gets very sick and actually even dies. So we can't recommend that right now.
Not a good idea. Dr. Jon LaPook, thanks so much.